What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here at Bear Mountain, on top of the mountain. They actually opened up. It was closed all year of last year. I came here like 3 times and it was closed. But beautiful sights, beautiful scenery, great twisties coming up here. Definitely recommend it. All right, there's my bike. This tour pack will be for sale pretty soon. I actually got the new CVO tour pack from Harley coming in about 4 to 6 weeks. So I will be selling that tour pack. It's a king tour pack. So if anybody wants, let me know. There's my bike. I'm actually getting a tour pack matched with the same color as the bike. So don't mind that right now. Check it out, the bike. Check out the scenery, guys. Scenery is bananas. Highly recommended to come here. You can actually have some picnic or some snacks and come chill with your friends. You can actually go this way right here. You gotta navigate yourself down here, and you could actually have a seat on this bench right over here. It's the best part. This is where I like to come right here and just chill, hang out on this bench, sign your name, carve your name, sit down here, and all you gotta do is enjoy the views. Unbelievable. Alright, guys, well, like I said, this was an amazing experience. Coming here with my wife finally is open to the public. Like I said, it was closed last year, so make sure you stop by. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Make sure you check out the merch. Don't forget, check out the merch. Barber CVO 19 merch. Alright? Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. It was a short video, but you know, it was worth showing you guys how it is down here. All right, talk to you soon. we have arrived here at Maroney's Harley Davidson dealership in New York. Check it out. Small Harley Davidson, nothing big, right off a highway. But check it out. Peep it. Just put my mask on. See that? Only Psycho 100. Yo, son, check it out. Got a lot of bikes. Yo, like this is a street light that I like. CVO. Beautiful, beautiful bike. 42K. It's another bike that I like. The Road Glide Special. Love this color. Really nice. Alright guys, we're here at Hudson Taco in New York, getting ready to eat this really nice restaurant. Definitely recommend you guys to come through. Look at the views you get here. We'll show you how the place looks and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're here at the Philip Plain store in Woodbury Commons. Check this helmet out that I just found. Philip Plain. Let me know what you guys think about this new helmet that just came out. I don't know, my wife's gonna try it on, see how. Look at how much it is. Peep the price.
Peep the price.
2,000 and change. I don't know. We're gonna check it out. Try it out and see how it feels.